Hello guys, it's day 2 in Busan and we're here eating breakfast at Dunkin' Donut. I got a caramel dunkiato. My mom got a sesame donut and then my dad got a cafe latte and a pulled pork burger. Okay. And you put in mushroom. Crush it. Oh, we forgot to crush it. Like, you have to crush the ice. Oh, people do like that. But okay. Hi, chew. But everything here tastes like. Oh my god. Guys, we are on the way to the Gamcheon Cultural Village right now. We're waiting for our car. Okay. Hello guys, we are in the Uber and we're on the way to the village now.
I'm so excited. You know, yesterday I had a bad day, so I was really moody. Today I had such a good sleep, so I'm very happy today.
Look at our haul of socks, guys. We bought like so many pairs. Look at that. Okay, try it. How is it? Let me try.
You never wrap in the sauce and the cheese.
No, it tastes like those like. Good. Oh, the chicken? Real crispy. Now guys, macaron, ice cream. Let's try it out.
It's chocolate vanilla.
Oh, they got the
It's a little hard.
They got the sugar tea.
Okay, try this.
Oh, there's a
The same store.
Strawberry.
yeah, it's just dry strawberry one.
Can you reverse this part so it's like
Sure. Now we are going to eat lunch at pork cutlet ramen cafe restaurant. Yep. Just now we were at the Gwangyang Sanjong
village.
Cultural Village, and now we're at another one, but this one's by the beach. Just now that one had like a lot of houses, but this one has more shops and beach.
Hello guys. Welcome to Hyunyo Culture Village. Come with me. Woo!
Right now we are going to lunch at a place called Gyoyin Jumbo Pork Cutlet. It has about like 3.8 stars I think on Google. Let's see if it's nice. Hi guys, we are currently at our lunch place at Hyunyol Culture Village. If you guys are keen, we will tell you how nice it is. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, it's a cozy little place. What is up guys? I got a Coke. My first. This is some ASMR. Guys, look, they got us soup. I'm gonna try it out. See what it tastes like. I don't know what soup is in. That's pretty good. You got some ramen? I'm gonna try the tonkatsu. Oh, I can't pick it up. This is the sauce. Hello everybody. We have finished eating lunch at this area. So what's the rating? We ordered 2 noodles and 3 pork chop rice. So we ordered spicy ramen, a cheese ramen, pork cutlet, cheese pork cutlet, and a curry pork cutlet. It was honestly a little mid. Yeah, the noodles were nicer than the pork chop, even though this is famous for the pork chop, but MVP it was the cheese ramen, guys. Cheese ramen. The spicy ramen was too spicy, so it is a 2.5 out of 5 for me. 2.5 is for the ramen. The pork chop is 0.5 maybe, so the ramen is 2. 5 out of 5. It's a pass.
Out of 5, can you do it out of 10?
Alright, it's 5 out of 10. The ramen is 4. The pork chop is 1.
She's so harsh. The pork chop is like I think for me it's like a 4 out of 10. Like I wouldn't eat it again, but I will eat it, okay? And then cheese ramen was like, to me it's like a 7, okay? It kind of slapped. The spicy ramen was too damn spicy, so maybe a 5, yeah, 5.
Okay, today we are trying the ice cream from Hill Cole. We are having the vanilla cold version.
First bite.
How is it?
It's pretty good.
Refreshing. I tried it. And look at the sea.
I literally said first bite, right? You know what this tastes like? The white rabbit candy.
White rabbit candy, alright. Let's go, let's go.
Let me let my cameraman try it. She never ate it yet.
Let's go, let's go. Follow us. Vanilla. Let's go, let's go. We're all having umbrellas because it's so sunny. But look at the view. Is it worth it?
Yes.
Wow.
big. Yeah, they're so cute. Look at my little skirt. Guys, look at this. Oh, she's gonna buy 2.
This or this one?
So the one at the back. This one.
The pillow like naked looking.
And also this one.
Yeah.
These are 2 she wants. She wants this one, guys. I feel like this.
Don't touch it.
Oh, sorry. This, or this. Okay, guys. So this is what they got. What's it called?
The missing day.
Okay. She got 2 and she got 1. Okay. Which one do you want?
This one or this one, but like any of them is like pretty cute.
Okay. Which one do you want?
I want this blonde back.
Suspense. Oh. She has hiccup. Oh.
I usually open it.
Yes, sama. Okay. This ain't ASMR. Okay. Okay, take out at the same time. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Oh my god, you got the one you wanted to! I should have. Hey! Happy. Cause she got the one she wanted. Unbox. Okay. Oh, that's so cute! So cute. Yay! Clap. Alright, I locked it. Oh shit, they were so loud. Wow! Guys, we just went to the locker room and like everybody was like
The first time I saw one person, I thought, oh okay, it's fine.
you feel like 10 other people. Like okay. Okay guys, look at this 13.4. Look at these people. Wow guys, look, it's the outdoor foot bath. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna go in. It's so cold. Busan. Oh my god, look at that. Guys, I have to whisper in there. Look at the egg. Look at that. Yes. Guys, we're gonna try.
4 out of 10. Oh, but you didn't make that too.
I think it's a 5 out of 10. Look at the salt.
Thumbs up.
Look at the eggs. It's just 2 hard-boiled eggs.
Are you sure it's hard for you?
Yeah.
Oh my god, scared. I thought she wanted to hit my head already. 30 out of 10.
How many did you get?
30 out of 10. 30 out of 10.
Oh, 30 out of 10. You have to hit. Ayo. Oh, ouch. Oh. Look at that. She don't have to hit lah. Can I hit your head? Ow. Ouch. Ow. What's wrong with everybody's head? I'm gonna split open. Oh, that happens in the background. Oh, guys, look at the egg. It's so thin. Wait. Where is it? Oh! How much is it? Guys.
I think it's the same as the one that you got.
Mom, you try first.
Some salt.
No, it was so loose too. I heard the egg shaking inside.
Yeah. Ours.
This one. It's the same egg, right?
Let's try the first one. Nah, I mean like, try it. Maybe it's too much. Maybe too salty.
I just ate the salt later.
This is quite on his head. You should have a taste of it. Out of 10. I think it's a 7, 6.
We tried it yesterday. You can buy it at convenience store. Honestly, I thought I bought an egg that is like runny inside, and it's not. Look at my lashes, it's still up.
She spent the long in the sauna.
Yeah, because I wasn't sweating.
I spent the.
Yeah, she went in for like about 2 seconds and then she came out. She's like, I'm too hot.
I only have for 4 minutes.
Yeah, because I had to pause her. Yeah, if we're still hungry later, we might go and eat. See you.
See you there tomorrow. The ramen thing.
See you tomorrow.
The self ramen.
That see you tomorrow is enoki mushroom.
Huh?
You don't know what enoki mushroom nickname is see you tomorrow?
Oh, cause you shoot it out in. Okay.
But isn't that corn? You can't digest corn.
Okay, guys.
Like when you shake
Yeah,
corn,
let's
it
not
just
talk about
comes out.
Let's not talk about shit anymore. Bye, guys. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go clean my shoes now. Clean Oh shit! Here's all those shoes.
So much bigger.
Back at see you. Okay guys, my goal is to get one dessert every night. So today I might want to, oh wait, let me see that. What's this? Ice mouse. Oh, it's peach and cute. I have mini mousses. This is grape. Maybe I'll try this. I can try this with my sister later. Oh my god, they have this in orange and grape. I definitely have to try this too. Orange honey, I'm guessing. Plus this photo here. The grape. 75 calories. I'll try this watermelon. I think my sister will want to try. It's a watermelon. Ugh. Let's go and ask her if she wants. Excuse me. Do you want this? I thought you like watermelon. But you never try. Look at the face. Look at what she's eating for supper. Okay guys. She got you like peach? The color looks great. So we're gonna try this. Just gonna eat it there. I'm gonna get a strawberry milk. Okay guys, scrap that. I'm gonna get this instead.
Let's figure this out. I will keep on these some cereal. And stuff, I guess.
On video, that's crazy.
因为我不要我的重要的东西全部在那边。
Oh, guys, I tried to open here and it was supposed to open here. Grab it even. Oh my god, shit. Cut the video, cut the video. Tastes good. It's very sweet though. Yeah, it's like just like ice. Nice. I got Pringles, hot and spicy. Here they have the small version. Such I find in Singapore you always don't have, but here they have it. Hello everybody, it's our last full day in Busan, our third day.
Our third day, and it is 9:41 a.m. now. We are late again. Honestly, it is fine because you know why? It is 8:41 a.m. in Singapore. Woke up at 8 plus today, Korea time, which is 7 plus Singapore time. So that's super early. I don't even wake up that early for work. So yeah.
Okay guys, so we're at our breakfast spot now. If I remember the date, if I remember the place, I'll put it here, but I don't think I will. But yes, they got pork bone soup. It's like pork slices, boiled pork slices with rice. The rice, this is the pork, and this is the soup. The soup. Ta-da! Alright, let's try it out, shall we? Take the rice and put it with the soup. No. Sort of pork. You're gonna say that? Pork. What does it do inside? I have no idea.
Alright, so this is the soup. You can add this stream for flavoring. Just throw it in. Okay, and then you can also include this thing in your soup. It's to add flavoring because the soup itself doesn't have much flavors. So yep, that's how you drink the soup and eat the pork rice.
Okay, what drink do you have today?
I have the blue lemonade.
Okay, taste test. Chocoman?
Very sweet.
Out of 10?
That was a little sour, but I think like a 5 out of 10. I probably wouldn't drink it again, but it's not that bad. Maybe I can make.
It's sweet. Not that sour actually. Out of 10, I already like a 6 out of 10.
My favorite drink right now would be the grape.
What is up, guys? It's currently raining, but it's okay. We're on the way to the temple. Can you guys see the rain? It's not. I think it's just a passing cloud though, cause like just now over there was like really gloomy, but now it's like cleared up, and then now it's here gloomy. So I think it's just a passing cloud, which is great. We get other food.
This is the 12 zodiac and pig.
guys. We just finished at the temple and now we're gonna go to Skyline Luge. We're already here. Hey guys. Roller coaster! That's gonna be us again later.
Oh, there's the water one.
Oh!
Guys, we are on the luge. My bangs are all over the place, guys.
Look at them.
Say hi!
Are you guys excited? Excited?
Excited! First time.
First time. Look at them back there. Oh look, we can take photo there. That's so cute. No, I must win! I must win! I must win! I must win! Beep! 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 Oh, that's it! So stupid! My phone stuck! My phone stuck! Got a sausage from... I'm gonna try. My dad wanted to buy.
결제가 완료되었습니다. 이용해주셔서 감사합니다. 카드를 회수해주세요.
Coke slushy. Look, she got this from GS25. Marshmallow Pop Rainbow.
25 or 27?
I didn't think of anything. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Tastes like nothing. Guys, we just took this ride and my head kind of hurts. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Oh. Where's he go? Where? Seriously? What is up, guys? We just finished exploring Lotte World. We were only there for like an hour, and now we are at Lotte World department store. Guys, right now we have rice cake. It's so cute. It was like really long, and then they cut it up. Let's try. Let's have one each. One. Let's try. It looks so thick. Okay. You guys look at how thick it is. Wow. It's so thick. So big. Oops. It got $6. Thank you. Oh my god. Very good. review. It's about 6.5 out of 10. We like haven't found like a 10 out of 10 food yet, guys. What's going on?
Yeah, 6 out of 10.
I got udon with like chicken or like pork, and then I got pizza, rice, and kalguksu, and then my dad got fried rice. Okay, guys, let's try the udon. I use this little bowl. I use this. She said a side dish. The udon. Rice is a side. Fine. It is like potato, I think. I think so. Yeah, it is.
还有什么炸酱面？
Got some chicken. Oh, I want to try my chicken. Oh, that's so hot.
This is chicken. I thought it was pork. This is chicken.
Chicken cutlet. I'm gonna put the egg. Oh shit, it dripped. Put it right on top. Pizza. Eat the tteokbokki. Kêu. 짜장면.
이거 와요.
啤酒、饮料、小吃，祝您旅途愉快。
Just gonna try this Bank of Korea cheese coin. Yeah, big. Oh, where's the cheese pool at? I'm gonna try. Oh. Got ice cream with Dubai chocolate and pistachio.
감사합니다. Yeah. Orange juice. Trying hot dog that has a long ass line. I think you guys have to say yes. Ah.
Hot. Not salad.
And honey.
This one can put inside roasted right?
Hot. Tteokbokki and fish cake from a store down there.
还是你们要都在这边吃，在这边吃还是？
And strawberry milk. I'm gonna try it.
You're not giving me a share?
Nope.
I don't. You like? 네, 감사합니다. It's the marshmallow. Oh wait, with the cookies and cream inside, y'all. Ooh, is it good? I like the marshmallow. Wait,
It's not that sweet. What's this one is like
burnt.
a little burnt, yeah. So to me it's not that sweet. Sweet, right? Yeah.
I'm gonna try it.
She said I'm gonna regret it.
It's gonna be so sweet. You're gonna regret it.
I got my nose.
Okay, tissue paper. It's not on your nose.
I touched my nose. Okay guys, I'm here for supper because I didn't really eat just now. I'm debating between this, or pasta. I'm leaning towards pasta because, like, you know, the pasta or this, but I don't really eat today. I kinda ate it today, so I guess I'll get this. I think I'm gonna get like one egg. Or is it like stuck? I hope it is like soft boiled. I don't think they'll cook. My whole like an egg, pasta, chips, and ice. Guys, I'm trying out my pasta. Look at this. I'm so tired.
开了路，什么情况？被破坏了，没办法，事情没人动过，等着你呢。
罗队长，
That's actually not bad. Yummy.
陆老师，他们是在横检吗？
这还用问吗？还需不需要我给你介绍？
So yeah guys, this is our convenience store daily dessert. Today we have this mini melts grape icing. Let's try it out. Do you want to try way 1 or way 2? There's 2 ways. Way 1 is open one by one is just all at once. Let's do way 2. It looks like that. 2 balls. Let's try one each. Let's try the purple one. Oh, I almost it's got ice cream on the inside. That's so cool. Okay, good one. Different grapes. I like the purple and more. Do you feel that?